Senator JB, una na pong inabsuelto ng COMELEC sina Escudero at Lubiano sa issue ng campaign donations. Makakaapekto po ba ito sa desisyon ng Ethics Committee?
That will be probably be considered, and we will be considering that if in case there will be the hearing on the case of Senator Escudero will take place, no? But it doesn't mean na doon tayo magbabase na that's because na dismiss yung case sa COMELEC ay dismiss na rin. So it will be to the discretion and perusal siguro ng members sa pagbasa nila sa kaso. It will be their discretion and decision whether to dismiss or not, no? Siguro, but of course, yung COMELEC case will be considered as well, no? Babasahin din po siguro ng mga miyembro yan, but the ultimate decision lies in the members, no? Kung ano po ang kanila pong discretion.